Hi, my name's Garret Wong. Welcome to my new series, So You Want to Own a Rental Property? Let's start with who am I? I'm an investor. I've been investing in Winnipeg since 1999. At one point in time, I owned and operated 75 doors in 43 buildings. Now that was made up of single-family duplexes and triplexes. I was also a realtor with Century 21, and I'm also the owner of a property management company that's been in business since 1999. We manage hundreds of properties for investors around the world. So why am I doing this series? Well, I want to give back. Most business people are afraid to give out the secret sauce. My goal is to create informed investors, more knowledgeable industry, maybe better educated investors. This has no gimmicks, no upsells. I have no system that I'm selling you. This is just common sense property rental investment techniques that I wish someone would have shown me and given me when I started out. How is this series going to work? First, I don't know about you, but I have a really short attention span. And these videos are on social media, YouTube, etc. So similar to my FAQ series, hopefully you've seen that, I'm going to keep it short, like under 2 minutes short if I can. Each week I'm going to record and release a new segment that builds on the previous week's content, but each segment can stand on its own as a hopefully valuable piece of information. So are you ready to begin? All right, let's go. Oh wait, I've already burnt up my 2 minutes, so you're going to have to wait till next week. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons so you'll be notified each time we release a new segment, and we'll see you next time.